Hi guys, this is Chika with BorrowedDelights.com, and today I'm sharing with you how to make my chicken pot pie with broccoli and mushrooms. This is such an easy recipe, super delicious, and it's a great comfort food recipe too. So let's get started. So in my pan here over medium-high heat, I have some oil, and to that I'm going to add in my onions and my chicken pieces. For this recipe, I used boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I just cut that into some bite-sized pieces, about 1-inch pieces. You could definitely use chicken breast for this recipe, but I love using chicken thighs because they cook up really great and your chicken will never be dry with using chicken thighs. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cook until both sides of the chicken are nice and browned. And of course, you're going to season this with some salt and pepper. And if you are new to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button now, and as well the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever new recipes have been posted to my channel. All right, so once your chicken is nice and browned, you're going to add in your broccoli pieces and your sliced mushrooms. And I'm just using brown cremini mushrooms for this recipe. I'm also going to go ahead now and add in all of my seasonings and give everything a good stir and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Next, you're going to add in some flour, and you're going to give that a good stir to ensure that your chicken pieces and veggies are fully coated with the flour. You're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes because you really want to cook out that raw flour taste. And at this stage, you guys can see that the bottom of my pan has a lot of really dark brown bits stuck to it. Do not worry. We are going to get to deglazing the pan in like the next couple seconds here. So ensure to cook your flour out a bit for about 2 minutes, and then you can go ahead and add in the chicken stock. And you're going to give everything a stir, ensuring that you're scraping the bottom and sides of your pan gently to release all of those dark brown bits that are stuck to the bottom of your pan. That is all delicious flavor. So be sure to diligently, carefully scrape the bottom of your pan to deglaze it. So once you've deglazed the pan, you can go ahead and add in your heavy cream or half and half. You want to bring this to a simmer and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. And you will notice that your sauce will thicken up a bit. Next, you're going to pour this delicious filling into your baking dish. And you're just going to place a piece of puff pastry on the top. And if you have any excess pastry, just kind of tuck it in along the side of the pan. Next, you'll want to make a couple of slits on the top of the pastry. This will allow for the steam to escape while this is baking. Last but not least, you are going to just take any extra cream that you have and brush it over the top of your pastry. This is going to bake in a preheated 400-degree oven for 30 to 40 minutes, or until your puff pastry has puffed up and it's golden brown and fully cooked through. Once this comes out of the oven, you'll want to let it sit for a few minutes before serving. This chicken pot pie was so incredibly delicious. Filling is so flavorful, so creamy. It's absolutely amazing. I hope you guys will enjoy making this recipe. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it across all of your social media platforms. And as well, if you're not yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe now. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.